So how to set up a standing order on Lloyds. So to set up a standing order on Lloyds, you'll just want to click on the payment section at the bottom right here. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to select choose who to pay. And then from there, select pay someone new. And if you want to set up a standing order with a person or a company, just select pay a person or company. And then to pay the standing order, you just want to enter the bank details of the account that you want to set up the standing order for. And once you've entered those details, you can go ahead and press continue. And then on the next page here, you should see this sliding option at the bottom, which will ask you if you want to make it a standing order. So if we go ahead and say yes, you'll then be able to edit the frequency of how often you want to pay that standing order. So for example, that could be monthly or even weekly. So once you've set up the frequency of how often you want to pay the standing order, along with the amount that you wish to send, then you can go ahead and press continue to confirm it. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and confirm the payment. And once you've done that, you'll be given this success message here, and your standing order is now set up. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.